Today, we will look at how to program the CAMDUSTER. Press and hold, about 3 seconds, the programming button. The LED will remain on. The brush will move for confirmation. Select your program. The LED will blink according to the number of the current settings program. Press and hold, about 3 seconds, the programming button to save the desired program. When the LED remains on, you can release the button. The successful saving action will be confirmed by a longer brush rotation and a new cleaning cycle. The selected program is indicated by the number of periodic LED blinks. Take a look at our website to learn more, camduster.com.